Hi, this is a tutorial on assigning skills to your students in IXL. When students open their IXL dashboard, they're prompted with their recommended skills based on their diagnostic, and then also teacher recommended skills. In order to assign those skills, from your teacher dashboard, if you'll go to the top to the Learning tab, you'll have several options on the left. You'll choose which subject area you want to assign skills from, and select skills. So if I want to assign math skills, I'm going to go to math and select skills. From there, you can then select a grade level. In this case, I'm going to select kindergarten. I have 332 skills to choose from. And here you'll notice all of my skills are broken down into categories. In order to assign that skill, I can either just click the star next to the skill I want to assign. That will automatically assign that skill to all of my classes. If you have an after-school program, a summer program, or any other class rostered under your name, selecting that star will assign it to all of your classes. So if you would rather assign it to specific classes, if you just hover over that star, you can then go down and select which classes you want to assign it to. You can also get more granular and select specific students to assign a skill to. Once you've assigned that skill, it will instantly appear in your students' dashboards. Another way to assign skills to your students is go back to the Learning tab up at the top, and you have what are referred to as skill plans. So I'm going to click Skill Plans. And this will populate several plans highlighted by either the district, you have a district spotlight here, IXL, state standards, so we do have Texas standards skill plans, specific textbooks, and even for upper grade levels, test prep such as ACT and SAT. So I'm going to select from this selection tool textbooks. And you see here several textbooks that we utilize are there. If I want to assign, let's say, a skill plan from Eureka Math, I can go down, select my grade level. So again, I'm going to look at kindergarten. And you see it's going to break down those skills by the Eureka Math book. So you can even get specific to your textbook. So those are two ways to assign skill plans to your students. If you have any questions, please reach out to your instructional technology team. Thank you.